I'm here with Papa June. Papa June.
Yes, hello, Casey. Happy birthday!
Thank you, I'm a teenager.
We are here in Lobo, Batangas.
Going home. We're about to go home.
We are traveling along Lobo, Batangas, going to Malabo. We are here now in P8 Barangay.
We are in P8.
You will see the mountains. See, evergreen. Wow, it's good, beautiful.
So naturey.
That is what we call it here, bitukang chicken.
Ito kang baboy.
6 road, going out the Lobo Poblacion. That's why you can see the zigzag.
Yeah.
The nature is very good.
I'm having car sick. I'm gonna
Green.
throw up.
You can see the mountains.
Mountains and the clouds up.
Like that.
Sunny and air.
Three mountains, oh. Not only three.
Dati ano yan yung mga patay na halaman yung color green. Because it rained and it's good now. Look at my earrings, they're stars. You can't see them. Wow. Mountains. They're mountains.
Up the pits.
My hair is a mess because of the wind.
Today, August 11,
2024.
birthday of Cassandra Clare, and also at the same time Feast of Saint Clare. You know,
St. Clair's birthday and my birthday.
Kapistahan di Santa Clara. Santa Clara, pinong-pino. Ano? Sing it.
I don't know the song.